Hey, back trading. Been getting my mind back together for a little bit, um, and going over my strategy again, and not overcomplicating it anymore, as I did when I had this FTMO challenge. So now we're back, and we're gonna do this shit properly. As you can see, I'm waiting for market to open now, New York session. So I'll be recording this trade for you guys and for myself. As you can see, daily time frame, previous day high, previous day low. Go down to the 1 hour and mark up a New York session open, London session open, and Asia session open. Then go down to the 1 minute again and mark up. Can this guy go away? Mark up Asia low and Asia high, London low, London high, and now we're waiting for New York to open in 4 minutes. So yeah. Okay, market just opened. Let's see what happens. What I'm looking for is a sweep above and basically a reversal to the downside, and yeah, we have potential to go pretty far down today. So let's keep watching. Okay, so we just swept London high. We're probably gonna go, yeah, further up and close above and do some moves above London high before we go down again. Now we wait for the break of structure, and on the break of structure candle I also want a fair value gap to be created, and then for that to be respected and for the next candle to engulf the candle that reached into the fair value gap to close either, or in this situation, below. So yeah, let's see what we get now. You got a high over here. We gotta be careful with that one. Might break structure soon now if we close below this previous low. We got a body closure below, as we probably will now, cause okay, this is interesting now. So we're gonna get a break of structure. That's a break of structure right there. Probably create a fair value gap right now and hopefully retest it and respect it, close below, and we go for shorts. We got TP1 probably, fair value gap from this red candle right there down to the top of this candle. If we close bearish, as you can see, like that. We broke structure below on this candle because this candle closed below this previous low, which means break of structure. And now we created a fair value gap from this wick to this wick. Come back, retest. I'm gonna get my MetaTrader ready. I'm trading demo now because I blew the FTMO I was doing, because I was overcomplicating my strategy and not having the right mindset. See, I want this candle to close below this candle now. If that happens, I enter. Seems like we're gonna break above the fair value gap instead and have a new trace back up to maybe these highs. Looks like it's happening, maybe. We'll see. There you go. Enter. There you go. That's TP1. Let it run from there. To be honest, I moved. I placed. Let me show you today. Placed 5 orders. These two hit TP. Placed 2 orders on 2.5 lots. One hit $84, other $55 because of spread. And yeah, spread's at 10-11 right now on GBP JPY, and I got 3 more orders running, one on 2.5 and 2 on 1 lot. Move those 3 back to break even, so we're at least up $139 today. This sums up my strategy. Super simple. Happens almost every day, but my psychology is just not there yet. But now, for the last week, or since I blew my FTMO account, I've been getting my mind back together to fucking make this trading work, bro. I don't wanna. I want this shit so bad. As you can see, at TP1, we have a little bit of resistance right now, but we did break through. Probably gonna go retrace a little bit, but I believe we're gonna go down because bearish bias is really strong today. We can go super low, like previous day highs there, previous day lows are down there. This could be huge, but that's not how I trade. For it to hit this will probably be like Wednesday or something, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna go for this. And as you saw, the moment we closed below there, it fucking wow. You have to be quick. You have to act quick. Be ready on your phone or wherever you trade. I'm not gonna edit these videos like super good. This one I'll only clip out where I'm not doing anything or just waiting. So don't expect me to edit anything really. This is purely for this channel is purely for my learning experience, my journey to become a profitable trader. One day you'll see me at the fucking top. I will drive a Porsche soon. Soon for me is like next 2 years, 2-3 years. You'll see me in a Porsche. Okay, I'm gonna fucking make this shit. I'm not gonna work. Hell no, I'm not gonna work. I'm an apprentice right now as a industrial mechanic, and I like what I do, but fuck no, I'm not gonna work for minimal wage, under minimal wage, because I'm apprentice now, so I make like fucking $10 an hour or some shit. Like 2K before tax. Fuck that shit. I'm not. Hell no, bro. I'm sitting here making on this demo now though. We're up 500 right now. 550 in minutes, dude. Fuck working. Hell no, 9 to 5. I'm not gonna be an average person. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, bro. As you can see, strategy works. Have your mind the right place, cause imagine I entered off of only this red candle right there. I have done it before because I get FOMO and don't want to miss out on a good entry. But now I was patient. I waited for this candle, and as you can see, super smart. Because if I entered off this, it could just kept going up, stop me out. I was muted the whole entire time, but I marked up this resistance area right there. And as you can see, we're hitting a little bit of resistance. You can write POI, point of interest, whatever. I like to use resistance area and mark up TP2, TP1, break even, whatever works for you. Just keep it real simple and clean. When I was doing the FTMO challenge, my first FTMO challenge, which I was recording a couple weeks ago now, I was overcomplicating my strategy. So I was getting on the 5-minute, looking for entries there, 15-minute, whatever, just completely ruining my mindset. But now I've locked in, as most people say, and I've got my head at the right place. And I only trade pound versus yen. You can see my watch list there, but I only use GBP, to be honest, and Bitcoin just to look at it, because why not? Futures, I haven't tried trading it, but I've looked a little bit into it, but GBP works for me. Yeah, we're hitting resistance right here, right now. Up this area. Might break structure above there now, but we'll see. Do this instead. Actually, now as I'm watching this should probably be TP2. Yeah, because this is another low. I'm gonna close now. As you can see, you learn while trading. So I'm gonna close there because I see just figured out a new low. So close all positions, and there you go. $582.34 on the day. And since 32 to 7, yeah, 15 minutes, super clean. And that's it for today. I'm not gonna trade anymore. We got what we wanted, and I learned, or that's just stuff that happens while you trade. As you guys saw now, it's important to go on the 5-minute to find respected areas, like this area, the TP1, where we hit some resistance, as I showed you right there, and now hit a lot of resistance right there as well. It's probably gonna break through, but safer, you know. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, if somebody is watching, and I'm gonna keep making videos forward, but probably not like this, because I've been not at work. I've been doing some, what's it called, doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to doing trade recaps forward, and yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye.